What's up, guys? Hello, everyone. Car Guru here. What we're going to do today is I'm actually going to put those rims on that I was spray painting in the garage the other day on Dolores today. I'm going to at least get one side done so you can see what she looks like, rather. And it's freezing outside. All I have are these thin gloves and my Christmas pants that my daughter got me. And basically, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to donate. If you need help donating, you have to look on the lower left side of your screen, or you can click on the sock, or go into the description, and you could see what's going on there as well. This is going to be a completely live stream. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shovel a little bit over here so you can see more of the actual car, and then after that, I'm going to start jacking it up. Do you want to see those rims that I did? I'm going to put those rims over. Hold on one second. Oh, that's backwards. Hold on. Let me make sure you could see me here. Hold on. So I finally got them done. Check this out. Those aren't bad. Those aren't bad. Those are my new winter rims. And I think that looks pretty nice. So I got one there. And I'm going to get some shoveling done. And by the way, if you guys want to talk to me, any donation $5 and up is going to read it out loud so I can actually see what it says. I'm going to plug my laptop in. For some reason, it's not plugged in. Give me 1 second. Okay, do some shoveling. They look pretty decent, right? You want to see them again? Hold on. Whoa, the heck? All right. Again, I got these from EV Tuning Solutions, and this makes it 10 times easier to jack the car up. So these are magnetic. I'm just going to put it in the jack points, and it's a piece of cake to jack up. And to all those, oh shoot, I almost fell. Jeez, up in the end of me. So to all those saying that they would have went black personally, I actually like the red lip because the red lip matches the red that I have in the fog light housings. So, sorry, in the headlight housing. Yeah, you can't see it now. Look at my other videos. Check out my other videos, and you'll see the headlight is actually red too. So that red lip brings it out really nicely. And the reasons why I'm doing this is because they're winter tires mounted on these rims. You like the pants? Whoa. All right, one sec. I'm gonna get the right socket to do that. I mean, honestly, people may not like the red, and that's okay. You don't have to like anything that I do. And at the same time, I don't have to like anything that you guys do either. That's the beauty of the world we live in. You don't have to agree. So I'm gonna take these off. I'm gonna get the right socket to get that off, and then those wheels are gonna come off pretty soon. Okay. Now where's my thing? Hold on. I'm just using the breaker to remove them. Don't worry about it. Oh, also, oh crap, you know what I forgot to do? Before you jack any Tesla up, put it in jack mode. 'Cause if you don't, the car is going to keep trying to level itself. So I'm going to go upstairs and I'm going to get the key for it. And then I'm going to put it in jack mode so the car doesn't try to auto level. So give me 1 second. What's a frozen wheel swap? It's freezing outside. That's why it's frozen. See, I got snow on my head. Hold on, I'm getting the key. Hold on. Yeah, these should do pretty well, I hope. These snow tires are a lot better than the other ones. Um, let me get it. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm gonna cover it in another video. My wife actually got stuck, and she's not happy about it at all. So we're gonna see what happens here. So let me get the key to her. If I remember where the key is. Do I know where the key is? Hold on 1 second. Let me see if I can put her in jack mode without the key. Hold on. No, for some reason I thought it could. What do you call it? I do need the key, and I don't know where the key is. Actually, I think I know where it is. Let me play it out in my mind so I'm not gone for very long. But in the meantime, let me show you my snowblower. That's a fine looking snowblower, isn't it? Whoa. Okay. I know where the key is. Give me, I'm gonna check my wife's purse. Give me like a minute, okay? 1 second. Here I am struggling like an idiot, and because the reason why I won't go into jack mode is because the charge port's still plugged in. Dummy. Oh crap. If anyone wants to what do you call it? Donate for my frostbite surgery, go ahead. Oh my gosh, it's freezing out. This is freezing. Crap. How was everyone's Christmas? Thank you for subscribing. Jacob Mensa. All right. So these are the summer 21s. And look at the tread pattern right here. You'll see these two side by side. There you go. Winter and summer right there. Look how smooth the summer one is compared to the winter one. It's a big difference. Let's see, is this the right side? Yeah, this is good. Brian Robertson, thanks for subscribing. I have a big problem. Is that uh, the these are chrome, and I don't like chrome, so I have to somehow get black ones. I don't have black ones, so what I want to do is I'm gonna put the Tesla OEM ones on because these are the different lugs. These are extended lugs, so I'm gonna put the Tesla OEM ones on, and then I'm gonna drive to the Tesla service center, and hopefully they have those black caps I could just put on. Yeah, Tesla does have black ones. So I'll get the OEM Tesla ones. Hold on. It's freezing. Thank you, Abu, for subscribing. I'm gonna get the that's Plasti Dip. I think it's gonna look real nice once it's on fully and once the car's down. Once it gets a nice low stance. I'm gonna get some more lug nuts. Hold on. Okay. Hold on. Who subscribed? Thank you. Who's that here? Yao Kwan. Thanks for subscribing. All right, let's see. Can you guys hear me? Good. Let me see what else I can get here. I have a couple of other things here. My stuff is a mess. It's a complete mess. The right size. What's the right size? Come on. Be right there, guys. Don't worry. I'm not dead. Okay, got him. Wow. To everyone saying that I'm dumb and I'm a hack job, you're right. Someone sent me the torque specs. I totally forgot what they are. I have my torque wrench right here. So shoot me up the torque specs. I forget what they are for a Model S. Dude, I'll tell you right now, those don't. The camera doesn't do those any justice, man. This looks really good. This is a P85, so the red pinstripe actually matches the headlights, and it actually matches the interior pinstriping as well. Again, this is the jack pad adapter that I'm using, and this thing has saved my ass big time. This really needs more recognition. This jack pad adapter is fantastic. It's magnetic. You just put it there, it snaps back in, and it looks really good. So I'm actually really excited to see what this looks like once the car lowers a little bit, and you see the accent with the red headlight. It's gonna look really nice. Let's see if I can bring you guys a little bit closer to the rear one. That angle's better. Okay. Oops. Torque wrench. All right. Now do the back. So the back, same thing with the jack pad adapter. I'm gonna put it in the back. I'm actually gonna dust off. I'm getting a lot of requests for the, what do you call it? I'm gonna have to dust off the front headlight so that, ooh, 15 bucks.
Keep kicking butt. Love you channel and your attitude. Long live Dolores.
Haha, thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. That was very nice. Thank you, Timmy. I'm gonna dust off the front so you can actually see the headlight. All right, so hold on. Let's see. All right. I'm not sure if I could go far enough, but I'm gonna attempt to show you guys. Hold on. What's up? You could kind of see the red. You're kind of seeing the reflection a little bit on the car, but it looks damn good. You're gonna have to see my other videos to do that. I have a few other videos of Dolores. Check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, Car Guru, and check that out because I mean the car looks really nice. It does it no justice, and I'm excited because this car is actually lowered. Once the suspension settles, it's gonna get even lower, and it's gonna get pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna attempt to move my to move the camera a little bit. So bear with me here, all right? I'm gonna try to move it. All right, you're coming with me. Okay. A little bit better angle for you. How about that? Is that good? Ah. Acting. Jesus Christ. I was not acting, just kidding. I really hurt myself. Get some rock salt there. Whoa. That's the ice cracking. All right, you guys are gonna see why I'm sad in a second, because um, basically I have a staggered setup on these, so whoa, sorry. The staggered setup means the rear wheels are wider, so I'm actually gonna go and get my other winter wheel. Unfortunately, the other winter wheels aren't as wide as the rear ones, but hey, what are you gonna do? Hold on. Let's be real here. The black one looks better. Okay? It just looks better. Hold on. Again, these are the rear ones. These are these are 265s, and these are only 245s. So the 265s are obviously wider. Yeah, I understand that they're not everyone's cup of tea, and you think they look cheap, that's fine, but again, they look a lot better than they did before because basically uh, these are pretty scuffed up. These are all scuffed and scratched, so honestly, it looks a lot better, a lot better. The red looks a lot better. It makes it pop. And to those saying it doesn't look good, that's okay. It's the world we live in, which is awesome. You could have your opinion, I could have mine, and it's pretty cool. Hold on. What do you guys think? Should I leave the lug nuts chrome? What do you think? Or should I just leave it the way it is? I don't know what you think. Hey, Hell Driver, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. Hold on. Who's that? Anthony? Thanks for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, you'll realize that soon that I rebuild these things. So I've rebuilt Teslas in the past. Thank you, Javery Gaming, for subscribing. I build these in the past, so check out my channel, check out my other videos. I'm working on another car right now. Bakla, thank you for subscribing. And you have to see the whole car together. This is not just some like regular Tesla with those white clear headlights. It's fully done up. I'm gonna get the I'm gonna cover those caps up with black ones. I got to do that. I'm gonna go to Tesla today, and I'm gonna see. Hold on. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the. I think I might do the chrome delete. I might get rid of the chrome there to make the whole thing blacked out. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna put that much effort into this car because I'm building another one, and doing that kind of stuff just takes up more time.